Google Facebook lookalike match. What this is when you are leveraging these powerful platforms to run ad campaigns, if you have a manifesto of ideal prospects from, lists that you've recurred over the time, or you went to a networking event and you got a list of contacts, or maybe you reached out to a list broker. But when you have a list of ideal prospects, right? Name, at least an email address for Facebook. But for Google, you would need an email address, a name, first name, last name, address, zip code, and country code. What you're able to do is you can upload these lists to Facebook and Google and then request a lookalike match. Now, why this is so powerful is, let's say that you have a list of 1,000 prospects. They've opted in on your landing page, they've been digesting your contact, they opted in for webinars. You can load them into Facebook, and I believe right now, at the date of this recording, you need at least 100. But if you had 1,000, you load those into Facebook, and what Facebook is able to do with their algorithm is they're able to look at those 1,000 email addresses, analyze their data points, because 98% of those email addresses will have a Facebook account, and they're able to, using their algorithm, their machine learning, their deep learning software, that system will identify that and look across the hundreds and hundreds of behavior data points that they have, demographic data points, and bring you back a list of 10 million lookalike audiences, or a lookalike audience. Google is a bit different. Google does not allow you to go in and create your own lookalike audience, but they do allow you to upload this data. And if the data is accurate and they deem fit, because they are a powerful supplier, then they will give you a lookalike audience. Now, with Google, it's very, very difficult. And there's some other key ways that you can create these lookalike audiences based on if you have your analytics set up correctly and you are using their pixels and you are running traffic to your website. You can run traffic to your website off of paid ads. And then as the visitors get to a certain number, then Google will give you the ability to create a lookalike audience off of the individuals who have opted in. So with Facebook, it's very robust. You can create lookalike audiences off so many different types of data points. People that opt in, people that opt in but didn't download, people who buy from you are the best, obviously. So that is a Google Facebook lookalike match. Now, my name is Michael Kieris. I am the CEO and founder of Client Acquisitions, and we help software and IT companies get more clients using big data and inbound marketing. And what we do is we know who's actively in market pursuing a purchase of what you sell. We know who's actively in market pursuing the outcome of what your product and services gives them. Not only do we know who's in market, but we know them by name. And not only do we know them by name, but we have the ability to market to them on any platform, online or offline. LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Bing ads, Google, Facebook, Amazon in their future is coming on. Online, offline, mobile, email, direct mail, cold calling, canvassing, right? We have that ability. So because we have these lists and because we have all of this data, when we create a Facebook lookalike audience, we out Facebook Facebook. We out Google Google. I have some screenshots that I will be showing in the near future, but we are cutting the cost per click, thus cutting the cost per acquisition up to 25 to 75% at the current moment. So that's what a Google and Facebook lookalike match is. If you're interested to learn more how you can leverage this for your business, wherever you're watching this video at, click the button, schedule a time to reach out to me. If it's on YouTube, click like, share with someone that you may think would see some value in it, subscribe, reach out to me. All my contact information is below.